I look like I just killed my rich old husband and waiting for the funeral. Yeah, so if you want to watch how I did this makeup, here it is. Okay, so I'm done with foundation and my eyebrows and my concealer. So let's start with contouring. Hula, put it here under the blush. Alright, next is some highlights. So I'm going to use a Palladio. From here, do this. Smile always. So after highlighting your face, you want to contour your nose. Here. Here. That's the proper way to contour. Okay. What one? Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna use this palette, shade Faith. Spread it all over your eyes. Alright, next shade, this palette. Here, lining. Here. Right, well. The eyes. Red oak. Old. Just blend and fix up those messy colors. I usually start at the bottom part of my lips. So here. Now we go to the hair. I wanted to do something like this. Yeah, with this vamp look. For that, you need a brush. First is you need to get a little bit of hair in front. And this one, just like that. Brush all the rest of your hair and do a ponytail. You know that there's a facelift trick where you pull all your hair here to have that facelift effect, like Bella Hadid. So just like this. Instant facelift, not facelift. Instant facelift, not facelift. Instant facelift. I pulled all my hair up. Need a little bit of water. Pomade. Put it also there. Actually this part, get that. It's best if you have a comb. Trim all down. Do the first curl. Just put it there. Do that. Need a lot of water to make this happen. Take my long black extensions and do like the Ariana style hair. Put that on top. Make sure to tighten it up. So let me put on more accessories. Okay, so here's the finished look, and thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you'll subscribe. Also, please follow me on Instagram. It's Kashings. Thanks.